Hello and welcome. This is Deepak Mishra and you are watching my YouTube channel, as always. People who are new to this channel, let me tell you about myself. I am a doctor by profession and I work in Germany. Today, it's not about me, it's not about my company, it's not about things that I like. Today, it's about someone whom I hugely respect, someone whom I hugely admire. He is one of our Indian fellows, one of our Indian colleagues who has become in last few years an inspiration for all, I would say, all Indian youth, not only Indian, I would say, all Asian people, engineering mindset, with engineering background, who wish to come to Germany, study here further, train here further, excel in their professions, and settle in Germany. I think by now you have guessed who it is. He is Bharat Chaudhary. If you have still not figured out, it's the guy from Bharat in Germany, the YouTube channel.
Thank you so much for the dramatic introduction, Deepak. I think that was like pretty nice. I think this is the best one that I've had so far. Yes, I mean, like I've also been following you, Deepak, since I think quite a long time. Every single time like somebody asks us about the medical stuff and we're like, okay, like, this guy, he has been doing all of these videos way before like, anybody else started. So we're like, yes, like medical stuff, hey, he's your guy to go. So thank you so much for your work too. Like we really love your videos, and I'm super happy to be here.
Thank you, Bharat. I'm glad and I'm honored that I could have you talk with us here and share your inputs with our audience here. My audience are mostly medical professionals who wish to come to Germany. But I thought that since we have a celebrity here and I have opportunity to talk to him, let me share about him, about his work with our audience, and see how our audience likes him and his work. Definitely, you will write comments in this video, and you will check out his channel. There are not only videos regarding the engineering professionals. He makes very variety of videos, which is useful and important for anyone who wishes to work and settle in Germany in the future. I'm not advertising his videos because he does not require any advertisement, but I genuinely want to know that who is Bharat Chaudhary? Bharat, please could you introduce yourself in short and tell us how it all came to be? Why are you here in Germany in 2021? And since when are you here?
Yes, perfect. So, Deepak, I come from a small city in India. It's called Kurukshetra in the state of Haryana. And in 2012, I started my bachelor's in civil engineering at that time. And I did my BTech. So the story with that was like the last year hit. And, it was like fourth year students. They were like getting placed. We were in the second last year, so in third year. And we were seeing the kind of placements that they were getting. So they were getting like 15,000 Indian rupees of like, packages per month, and like, 12,000 Indian rupees. And I was like, man, like with this, like I cannot survive. I mean, like if you live in Delhi or something and like you're getting a PG accommodation and things like that, you will already be paying like almost like, 8 to 10,000 Indian rupees there. So like what is left to eat? So I was like, this is something I'm absolutely not touching. Meanwhile, I also like started like, preparing for GATE and things like that, like just like everybody does. And some people started moving towards like, Canada and US and UK and all of these countries. And I was like, no, I'm not doing that. Like, let's try Germany, because first of all, I don't want to be a huge burden on my parents, because like I think that was also the first reason why they didn't send me to Germany for bachelor's. So they were like, hey, we don't have the money right now, so like we can't do it. But like for master's too, I was like, if the tuition fee is like zero anyways, like let me try for it. So the second hurdle which came at that time was like, I didn't have good scores. So like my CGPA was like 7.43, so which translates to around like 70% in my BTech. And with that, like in Germany, you cannot like, find good English taught programs. So I was like, okay, let me learn German. I learned German. I came for a German taught program in 2016. I started studying structural engineering. And then like, around 2017, I was like, I saw everybody else around in my class, and I was the only brown person sitting in the master's program. And I was like, okay, this is interesting, because I don't see like other foreigners like doing these programs in German. So I was like, okay, I'm going to start making YouTube videos. So from that moment onwards, I like, started uploading YouTube videos, shared my experiences. And then till 2017, I had made up my mind to like shift. Because of YouTube, I got interested into marketing. So in 2017, I changed my course from structural engineering to the Wirtschaftsingenieurwesen, or which is called International Management and Engineering in English.
Mhm.
So I shifted to that, did it till 2019. 2 years, I finished my master's. This is another thing that many people say, that you cannot finish your master's in 2 years, which is like such nonsense. Like you can do it, and you can even do it in German thought. So like this is like next level, but you can still do it. That's completely possible. And then in 2019 we moved to like Denmark. So like in 2020 we stayed in Denmark, we bought a house here, we started a wedding agency. So like Alina, my wife, she does wedding planning for people who want to like come from different kind of countries. They want to get married in Denmark, and it's the easiest. You get married in just like 10 days, and the marriage certificate is like valid everywhere. Alina and I, we also got married just like that. So the such simple process. You just need your visa, passport, and your single certificate. That's it. No birth certificate, no nonsense documents, absolutely nothing. So that picked up. And in 2020 also, like Corona hit. So we were like kind of scared, because like we bought the house and we was like, we are going to rent the house on Airbnb, but there is no Airbnb in Corona. So then in 2020, towards the end, I also like kind of started my marketing consulting business. So like in 2019, in the end, I started a marketing consulting business, which is called Brand Device. And now I registered the company in Romania in 2021, which is called Brand Device Consulting SRL. So we have had businesses in Germany, in Denmark, now in Romania. And right now I just run my marketing consulting company. We have a team of like 11 people. And yeah, like that's the current point.
That is really, really very inspiring. Like in 4 years, you came as a student and you became an entrepreneur, and now you are like a CEO equivalent of a company. I mean, that is wonderful, Bharat. As I said, guys, and important thing about marriage planning. People who are here in Germany and have found their soulmates and want to get married, you know the guy. Okay.
Exactly.
So
thank you.
Yeah. So about this activities that you do, Bharat, at present, you must be having very little time with. So what do you like to do in your free time? What are your interests and hobbies? Because all this, what you do is business.
Yes.
Okay, I understand that a business. I mean, you are also interested in the business. Only then one can do the business.
Yeah.
Okay, but then when you don't have to do worry about business, what do you do in your free time?
Yes. So, Deepak, thank you for the very nice question, because we live on an island here in Denmark, and the name of the island is called Ero. It's a 2-hour drive from Hamburg, and it's then afterwards you have to take a ferry for 1 hour. Then you come to the island. It just has 6,000 people. And the nice thing is, like, whenever I have free time, I actually like to like just go to the beach and like kind of like sit there and like, read something. Then I also bought a boat this year. So then like in the evening, sometimes we go out on the boat and like, just spend some time, things like that. But I tell you, like, these kind of evenings or these kind of free time, like that comes very rarely. And like, it's very few and far between, because most of the times, I think you also know as a businessman that you just have like non-stop work. Like there's like no end to that. Like there's something going wrong all the time. You have to like fix it. There's somebody who needs some help or something. So there's like, always the run for that. But otherwise, yes, like I love being in the nature. I love being in peace. That's why, I mean, we moved to an island. I think like that gives you the kind of idea that, yeah, I just like to be in peace and a bit isolated. So this gives me mental sanity, and I love that.
That is wonderful. That is wonderful, because that is very much required, because in this time and age of so much stress and business and marketing and advertisement, converting leads into clients, managing the income tax. So somehow that piece goes missing.
Yep.
And this is not the thing. We are not running a sprint. We are running a marathon. So it's not like we can sacrifice on the inner the peace part or the relaxation part for some time, and after 6 months or after 4 months we are going to have it. It's not going to be like that. It's going to be like this till we are able to keep it. And it's not that we are forced to do it. It is like that. It's like we want to do it.
Yeah.
We want to. Yes.
Deepak, think about it like this. Like you are a father too, so like you also have a child to take care of, and I mean, like you're also like doing so many different kind of things. Like I don't know. For me, I'm like, if I will have a child, like I don't know, my world will be like out of order. Like I just cannot like imagine anything. So I also have like massive respects for you that you're keeping like everything in line, and you're still like producing the videos and everything, and doing your job and taking care of the child. I think like this is like some
That is, I
pretty
mean,
like three
that is,
full-time jobs.
it's a difficult thing. It's actually three jobs.
Yeah,
So I'm like busy all the time. That is the thing.
yeah,
But then it's like I could about my residency. I want to be a surgeon. I'm working
mm,
towards it. Hopefully next year I will become, will get certified. Uh, so that cannot be kept on the side. Uh, about the child, it's phase of life, one has to go through it. I mean, it's not compulsory, but that is my choice.
yeah,
So, and about the business thing, I like doing it. That is why, even though all things are stressful and it takes time, but then since you like it, you want it, you choose that stress. That stress is man-made, it's your made stress. That is why when people complain that I have so many things to do and don't have time, I'm saying you always have time.
yeah,
You can choose to give it up, you can choose to give up your job, you can choose to live in your little means, and you can choose to be a very normal person.
yeah.
But you don't choose that. You choose that, okay, I want more money, I want more fame, I want to be good at my work, I want to be liked by people, and for that you take that extra effort,
Yep,
and that is a cost which one bears.
absolutely.
So, that was a little bit from my side, but this video is not about me, as I said in the very beginning. Now, I would want to know about Bharat in Germany as a YouTube channel, we all know,
Hmm.
but as a company, what does Bharat in Germany do?
Right. So I registered Bharat in Germany back in October 2017. So I registered myself as an Einzelunternehmer, so
Hmm.
just the standard Gewerbeanmeldung and everything.
Hmm.
And like we started the business there. And from that moment onwards, like we had this like idea of like, helping more and more students, because like they were always like coming to us like after like listening to different kind of information online. Hey, like I heard this about this university, this about this university, what should we do, and like do you have any kind of like tips for us and things like that. So the very first thing that I ever started was like just having standard appointments. So if somebody wants to book a one-on-one appointment with me, I was like, hey, like this is the easiest way to start a business. So like I just like offer like paid appointments. Then
Hmm.
afterwards I was like, this is still not scalable, because like in 24 hours, like you sleep and everything, like you can only like a maximum like give a few people some kind of appointments, and like that wasn't like very helpful, because sometimes then they will have like more questions and then they have to come back again and things like that. So we started like making online courses, and then we started by like making an online course for students who are into engineering, into like business administration, commerce, and like other fields, like everything other than medical. Like medical we don't touch, because like we know that we are not the doctors ourselves. Like that is the part that Deepak like does. So we are like we leave the doctor work to doctors, and we just like take care of the engineering part and everything else. We started making videos about masters, bachelors, and everything, and then like from this we made this course, complete course for studying in Germany, and anybody who enrolls in the course, they get support from the moment they enroll till the time the bachelor's or master's is done in Germany. And we do live sessions every 2 weeks, so that anybody, if they have any kind of questions whatsoever, they can just like directly come to the live session and they can ask their questions. And then we also have like email support and all of these things. And so far we have, I think, we have 1170 students who have enrolled in the course so far. So that's like a pretty nice number, and like
That's
we
a
always
pretty,
have work to do. Yes.
that
And
is
then
pretty good number, yeah.
yes,
And
exactly.
that also says something about the course. That
Yeah,
means, I mean, it is irrelevant how much marketing you do and how much money you spend on
yeah,
advertisement. The most important success of the course comes from mouth to mouth publicity.
yeah,
That
yeah,
means your courses have been bought by so many people. That means I believe, from my experience, that there must be 50% or at least 30% people who have come as a reference, that
yeah,
somebody bought the course and they told their friends or cousins or whatever,
yeah.
okay, look, go into this course and this course is good. So that proves that, I mean, that speaks volumes about your course.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, I mean, like, this is pretty much like, how we started in the starting. Like, the course was priced like pretty low, and then we added more
Mm-hmm.
things, added more features, like it became more expensive.
Mm-hmm.
And then, of course, being we are essentially a marketing consulting company, and like BIG is just like one of the brands that we kind of like, run, and like we
Mm-hmm.
try all of the tactics that we have to like, we sometimes make memes, we make live videos, we like,
Mm-hmm.
offer different kind of discounts and offerings and things like that. So with this, like, we are definitely like able to kind of like put the idea out to a lot of people, and like
Mm-hmm.
a transaction only happens when the people feel like the value that they will get is going to
Mm-hmm.
be more than the price that they're paying for it, right?
True,
So
true,
like
true.
many people, like, they are happy with the product, like we don't like receive any kind of refund request whatsoever. Then we went ahead and made the course for a complete course for finding jobs in Germany, then complete
Mm-hmm.
course for freelancing in Germany, and all of these like other courses, so that like everything is scalable, and like people can still get guidance even if like we don't are personally available for like answering their questions or something. So this is like pretty much how we started, and like
That
that's like
is
what we are doing right now.
that is very nice. I mean, the audience who are watching this video, I mean, they can definitely check out courses of Bharat. They can just click the link in the description section. I'm going to post that. Uh, you can go through it and see what courses he has. There's description, a lot of description about those courses. There are sample videos, so you can check that. And if you like, you can subscribe to that. I mean, I'm sure you like it. So for doctors and medical professionals, you can forward it to your cousins, your friends, and your members of the family who are from engineering background and wish to come to Germany. So that will be definitely useful. They will thank you for that. uh, so apart from that, I want to know, like, with this, I mean, see, there are a lot of companies, there are a lot of, I mean, the medical in Germany for foreign doctors is new, basically. I mean, now it has been 9 years since the
Yeah.
rule changed, law changed, but engineering has been always there. So why do you think that your courses and your like, you have such a huge like fan base, I would say, or clients who take your courses, and then they don't go to the consultancy, what is next door? Like, you are
Mhm.
living here in Germany or in Denmark or in Romania, they don't even see you, they have never met you, still they take your course, they pay you, and they don't go to the guy next door. Why do you think, what is that? Why have you built up that trust that was missing or is missing?
Mhm. I think like a lot of that like came from transparency, because what like many people don't understand is like, okay, like you can talk about some things from other people's experience and stuff, but unless you have gone through that thing yourself, you will never have the same kind of knowledge that like you should have in order to like guide somebody. So like when I started like making those YouTube videos and like kind of like showing all of these different kind of paths, like how to like study, how to apply, this is my experience right now studying as a master's student in a German university and things like that. So all of those things like really gave a lot of traction. And I think previously everybody used to talk about like USA,
Mhm.
UK, Canada, but like nobody like started making videos in a structured way for engineering students. And like there's so many engineering students in India, so of course I mean there was like no lack of traction, and like people like really loved what we were doing. I think like
Wonderful.
transparency, I think like that's definitely the key.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, one thing I would like to know here, in short, is that I know about the medical process.
Mhm,
Okay, what I want to know through this video is
mhm,
that how is the, if, so for example, if I have a friend, a cousin, whoever
mhm,
in India has done his bachelor's, maybe BE, BTech.
mhm.
Now he wants to come to Germany. What is the way forward?
Right. So, as soon as you're done with your bachelor's in India, then like you get your university transcripts, you get your bachelor's degree certificate, things like that. So the very first thing you start doing is like you go to daad.de, and you like
Hmm.
start looking for different kind of courses which are available. Then you take a look at the requirements and things like that, you make a list of the courses, and then you see what kind of deadlines all of these courses have. German universities, they will all have their own deadlines. Some courses are ending on 31st May, some on 15th July, and so on. So like once you have all of these things like very nicely documented, you see what kind of documents are needed for every single program, and then you like start preparing those documents. And once you have done all of that, like the university application, this portal, like this opens generally for 45 days, 45 to 60 days. You apply with all of your documents. You just generally need your bachelor's degree certificate, your university transcripts, Your IELTS score in Germany generally is needed at 6.5. Then if you're coming for a German taught program like I came, so German taught program, there you need German proficiencies. So you need to show a B2 certificate or test stuff with 4x4 points, whatever works for you, and put all of these things inside. And then you wait for the university's response. Then the visa process is pretty standard. You get the visa completely in I think 21 to 28 working days. And then afterwards you're in Germany. You need blocked account. The blocked account is essentially a financial security that you have to show to the German state that, okay, I have 861 euros per month with me so that I can survive myself in Germany for 1 year. And this is something that you either have to renew the next year, or if you have a part-time job or something, it can also get extended the next year. But I think the bottom line that I can say is if you want to come to Germany, I think it's really a great place because you don't have to pay anything for tuition fee for the engineering or the general university studies. So that's pretty nice, and that you can save a lot of money there.
Wonderful. I mean, that is in short very nicely explained. And I think with this information, this is a basic information what engineering graduate or engineering student for that matter is good enough. I mean, this information is good enough to work upon this pathway. It's actionable information that you collect those documents and you follow and I mean, obviously all the information is there on the channel. You can go on that. And if you have decided that, okay, fine, now I've decided I want to do my master's in Germany, then you know the courses. One more thing I would like to know in general, all businesses, all entrepreneurs have the future plans. Okay. In your case, you are, I mean, you don't do engineering work now. You are a entrepreneur, a CEO, a company, a owner. So you have multiple businesses. So what do you see as a future from 5 years down the line? A guy from Kurukshetra who came here in 2017, in 2021, he has achieved so many things. What do we expect in next 5 years? What is going to come?
So, I mean, the last 4 years have been crazy enough. So we it's very difficult to fathom where we are going to do. But everything that we try to do, when we wake up in the morning and we start our working day, we try to solve as many problems for people as much as we can, and give them good value out of it, because we do not believe in just making a quick buck and just we don't care about the customer experience, we don't care about how they feel about the product and stuff. I think this is not a good way to grow any kind of business. So I think motivation is going to be to branch out into different kind of sectors. This is something that I can definitely think about. We have more brands coming up. For example, we recently bought the website financegermany.com. So more videos about investing and trading and things like that, about finance stuff in Germany. Then IELTScrashcourseonline.com. That is also something that we bought. And then just doing more of marketing consulting. This is my main passion. That's why I shifted from engineering to this side. And of course, on Bharat in Germany, trying to make sure that people have the best experience possible. But all in all, every single project that we pick up, that's essentially our experiment of marketing. So how do we do how do we market IELTS Crash Course Online? How do we market Aero Diaries, which is the wedding agency that we started? How do we market all of these brand device and things like that? So we will see. But I think one thing I'm pretty sure of is whatever we do in the next 5 years, people are definitely going to get more value out of it, and that is something I'm excited about.
That is the whole the core of it, that it has to be value creation and value addition regularly. Otherwise, that's the entire business. So I'm very glad that I had this opportunity to talk to you today, and you could share your views and visions with our audience. Thank you very much, Bharat.
Thank you so much for having me here, Deepak. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video too. If you want to have anything about doctor stuff, hey, contact Deepak right away. If you want anything about engineering stuff, contact me. I'll be happy to help. Bye.
Perfect. Bye-bye.